Wow, look at that. Amazing video of my dear patient from Maine with very complex radial keratotomy that I had the pleasure of correcting in both his eyes. And he brought me this video of him backing an 18-wheeler truck into this very narrow and tight garage without glasses or contacts. Gives me such pleasure when my patients bring me such videos and testimonials for me to continue the fight to help them see, especially these radial keratotomy patients who are told nothing can be done due to their complexities. Just watch this, amazing. Such a narrow and tight garage, and he's getting his 18-wheeler into it precisely. And as he said, with just quarter or half an inch on each side to spare. And he does this every day now at his work as a truck driver up in Maine. Unbelievable. It's just absolutely amazing. His name is Randy, and he came in for his follow-up. And what a pleasure. What a privilege. Amazing.
Yeah.
So that's an 18-wheeler.
Yep. It is. It is. And I could back that up really nice now. Thanks to your work. Thank you so much.
God, into that garage.
Yeah. I know it's tight in there, and it's always much darker too. And I'll tell you, it's a good test of having good vision. Thank you so much.
Be safe in Maine. Be careful.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
Man, careful.
Thank you.
Careful.